Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video, it is a special video. Omegle is back. So guys, as you can see over here, Omegle right over here. If I open this one, you can see over here, meet stranger with your interest. Omegle is back over here. You can see the interface. We are going to try this. If this is working or not, let's click over here, start setting video. I guess you have to sign in. So we will try that with your email ID. Let's click continue and wait, and let's see if it is working or not. My name is, I am a guy, and sign up. Okay, we got the same interface again over here. As you can see, let's click on video again. Okay, allow this, post sender, and let's see. Okay, as you can see, my webcam is on over here. You can see my webcam. Okay, so Omegle is working, as you can see, but the bad news is, if you see over here, join with Omegle Plus. If I will click over here, you can see over here plus. Over here you have to, like, it's asking for payment, seriously, but it is still working. I don't know how long it will keep working. I think it is a trial. You can see video chat, message history, shop, plus you can see over here it's asking for like coins or payment. Pay now, yes, payment. I don't think people will still like to use Omegle, so for me it's kind of useless. What you think, just leave me comment down below, but don't worry, I got something extra for you. Let's cancel this and just go to your mobile and open your Chrome browser or any browser and search for this, hit enter, and you can see the first link over here is Omegle. Did you mean Omegle? No, I mean this. Just type that and just click on this first link. It's similar to Omegle, it's like Omegle only. The name has only been changed. As you can see over here, nothing to sign in, for free, and click over here start, and you can see over here is asking for allow, and you will see over here my webcam will be on. Yes, you can see over here, and let's click over here start again. You can see over here more better than website. People are coming over here, so this is more worth to use for free, nothing to sign in also. You can see right over here. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.